Nikola Tesla, a mind far ahead of its time, with ideas still stirring debates today. But what made him truly mysterious wasn't just his genius. It was the FBI breaking into his room the day after he died and confiscating everything. What secrets did Tesla take to his grave? Did he really design a UFO? Or invent a weapon so powerful it could wipe out an entire army? Let's take a look inside the lost pages of Tesla's mind. Tesla's mysterious death. Tesla died alone in a New York hotel room in 1943. But oddly, it wasn't January 7th, as most history books say. Declassified FBI documents later revealed he may have died on January 8th, and the next day, agents seized every paper and prototype he had. 1. UFO and anti-gravity aircraft. Tesla once described a disc-shaped flying machine with optical lenses for eyes and internal monitors. He even said it could hover in the air, motionless, during strong winds. This was 1911, before screens or drones ever existed. 2. Death ray. The death ray was Tesla's alleged weapon capable of destroying anything within 200 miles. For years, it was dismissed as myth, until the FBI files confirmed its existence. Some believe the 1908 Tunguska explosion in Siberia was a test of this very weapon. 3. Wireless electricity. Tesla's wireless energy project aimed to give the world free electricity. He built the Wardenclyffe Tower to transmit power without wires, but energy companies saw it as a threat. They pulled funding and tore the tower down. 4th, earthquake machine. In 1898, Tesla tested a small mechanical oscillator. Rumors say it caused tremors in New York City. He later destroyed it himself, fearing its potential. Today, it's often called the prototype of modern seismic weapons. 5. Fuel-free airships. Tesla proposed electric airships that could fly across the ocean in hours. No fuel needed, just atmospheric energy. They could have connected continents without ever stopping. 6. Drones. Over a century ago, Tesla patented remote-controlled vehicles. These were the first concepts of what we now call drones. The U.S. military began testing similar machines, only a decade after Tesla's death. Nikola Tesla wasn't just a genius. He was a visionary whose inventions challenged the power structures of his time. And maybe that's why so many of his ideas were buried. Along with him,